Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change default text color in Gmail messages. So firstly you need to sign in your Gmail account. Then click on this gear icon for settings. Now click on see all settings. Now scroll down. Here you will find option default text style. So you can change your text style from here. Then you want to change color. So click on this drop down, and if you want to change color, so click on here and select your desired color. As we can see, text color here will be changed. Now scroll down and click on save changes. Now click on compose. Type email address where you want to send mail. Type your subject. Now type your mail. So as we can see now, default text color is changed, and just click on send. So this is friends, by this quick method we can know how to change default text color in Gmail messages. Thanks for watching.